Welcome to Vise Organic. We are Baroda-based agri startup company. We know Indian economy is mostly depends on agriculture. About 70% of Indian population is depend directly or indirectly on agriculture. We are working for the development of cost-effective organic farming by biotechnologically developed organic inputs. Agri-biotech products like biofertilizers and biopesticides are mainly used in the organic farming. But some of the problems are associated with these products. The main problem associated with these products like they have very short shelf life because these type of products are based on microbes. Second one is they must be in the living condition when farmers are going to apply this product in their farm. To solve these problems, we have developed one unique technology called MyLab. By using this technology, any person or any farmer can produce this biofertilizer and biopesticide themselves. Without any technological skills or laboratory setup. We are also working in waste management. We have developed several products of biofertilizers, organic fertilizer from biogas waste slurry. We request you to join us or support our project for the development of organic industry. Thank you very much for watching our video.